We are Ellis Bus Repair. We refurbish school buses for the school districts in Texas. We teach them a trade. The biggest is our apprenticeship programs. We have a diesel mechanics and a welding program. So they get the classroom experience on Fridays, but Monday through Thursday they get the hands-on experience. So when they get out, they have something to look forward to.
We have an opportunity that a lot of people don't have, and that is that we get to learn a skill. And some of us that have been here for many years, as myself, were selected to take a group of young inmates that come in and help them learn the skills that they need so that when they get out, they'll be prepared for it. First of all, the most important thing for all of us here is the safety of the kids that are on this bus. The kids and bus driver, we know that they're going to be on this bus. So we have children, grandchildren. That's our first priority, is the safety of this bus.
I have 22 jobs that I can put these inmates in when they come to work for me. Everything from my clerks, my accounting clerks in the back, to my janitors, to my welders and my diesel mechanics. And every job in here is essential to what we do. And every one of them is a different learning curve. They learn something new, and it gives them hope, it gives them a future, so when they step out, they don't come back.
I don't want to be the person that I was that got me into prison. So the why is that I'm inspired to teach young men a career. The other why is that it's important for me to do something that I'm doing productively instead of just sitting around doing nothing with my time. The why is to teach others what I know.
That's our main goal. Our focus is school buses. When these buses come in, yes, we're going to do everything that we can so that these school buses are up to code, up to standard, so these districts are happy when they get them back. But our main focus is these inmates, to make sure that they have something to look forward to, that they have hope, and it gives them a trade.
My next will be to hopefully help young men in whatever capacity that I can do that with. I don't ever want to see anybody come into prison. And whatever I can do to help a young man stay out once they're in here, that's what it's for me.